Hello everyone and welcome to an English lesson 5. I have some questions. I have some questions. I have some news. I have some news. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. She knows something. She knows something. Someone lives here. Someone lives here. Somebody is outside. Somebody is outside. I want something to eat. I want something to eat. Do you have any money? Do you have any money? Do you see anything? Do you see anything? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends. Is anyone home? Is anyone home? Anybody can join. Anybody can join. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? I don't have many books. I don't have many books. How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? I don't have much time. I don't have much time. I have a lot of books. I have a lot of books. Do you have a lot of questions? Do you have a lot of questions? Does it cost a lot? Does it cost a lot? I have few friends. I have few friends. I have a few friends. I have a few friends. I have little money. I have little money. I have a little money. I have a little money. This is the first lesson. This is the first lesson. I'm in the first row. I'm in the first row. It's your second chance. It's your second chance. We live on the second floor. We live on the second floor. It's the fourth door. It's the fourth door. He finished third. He finished third. This is my fifth attempt. This is my fifth attempt. It's my 10th beer. It's my 10th beer. I'm taller than you. I'm taller than you. It's warmer today. It's warmer today. My car is faster. My car is faster. This is the largest room. This is the largest room. It's the oldest house. It's the oldest house. Today is the coldest day. Today is the coldest day. She is more beautiful than her sister. She is more beautiful than her sister. It's more important. It's more important. I'm more careful. I'm more careful. It's more expensive. It's more expensive. It's the most interesting book. It's the most interesting book. It's the most dangerous place. It's the most dangerous place. It's the most amazing thing. It's the most amazing thing. Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.